I think we can start. I think we can start. Yes. Okay. Okay. I welcome everyone on the platform Tare Zameen Par, and today we are going to have a session on the quarantine mindset. I've just given it a tagline as "Turn your scars into stars." Definitely, you can turn your scars, whatever it may be, into beautiful stars. We may not believe it that it can happen, but certainly it could be doing well. It just needs some mindset shift and some positive attitude in our own self. And once we have it, then definitely we can turn any scar into a great star. Okay, so here is the topic what I told you, the quarantine mindset. Anyway, you all are aware. So let us start with the session without not wasting any time. Uh, I would like to tell you that if you want to take any notes, maybe you can take them because it will be a point kind of presentation, and I'll be just telling you the points on and on, so you can have it. Okay. We are going to divide the session into three parts. In the first session, I'll be telling you that why and how negative mindset develops of everyone, every human being, every person you can say. In the next set of slide, we'll be looking at the facts and ideas, some facts and ideas that are already there, but we feel they are not there. We need to understand some facts, some ideas with which we can change our mindset and definitely go ahead with whatever we want to achieve. And in the third sector, it will be the plan of action. With what plan, with what action we can actually achieve some things. Okay, so this will be divided into three such parts. We'll start with the negative mindsets for the first time. We're going to start now. Whenever we say a problem, what does your mind struck with? We feel that yes, we are under some problem. Maybe your friend is under some problem. Your family member is under some problem. Anyone, when we say there is a problem, the situation stops over there. People stop responding over there, considering what kind of problem. Maybe it's a huge problem, and any problem it may be. People have an attitude when they say it's a problem, they have to stop. They'll not go ahead it. Let me tell you very frankly that until and unless you are alive, there will be problems. Whatever it may be, every human being is facing some of the other problems. If we constantly stop our work, if we constantly are not focusing on the dreams, on the achievements what we want to make in our life, then all the silly problems are also going to make our dream look what you can say. We are not going to achieve in that kind of way. So problems will be there until you are alive. This is a quarantine period. The April month I think was very bad. May was much better, but in terms of June month we are facing a bit of easiness, but the cases are increasing as we are seeing. Many people are not able to come out of their home, and this situation actually is leading to more negative mindsets. Actually, if we are seeing now, for example, I would like to tell you that if you feel that your problem is a very big problem, and whenever we look at some other people, we feel that their problem is too easy to handle, such kind of. Why don't we exchange the problem? Maybe we can take their problem as ours and give them our problem. You can feel, or you might say that yes, definitely this person who is taking your problem, he can handle, and the person whose problem you are taking, you might feel that it's easy. But after some time, after some days, you will understand that even that problem is genuine, that problem is bigger, and also it also needs redirection, or maybe constant redirection or much attention. Then we understand that yes, even उसका भी कुछ problem है. हमें लगता है कि बस हमारा ही प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा बड़ा है, and with this note we always end up telling our own problems to everyone. So please understand, if you have a problem, it's not a new thing, it's not a thing to dwell on constantly. उसके ऊपर काम क्या करेंगे, how we can work on it, that is the major issue, and that we have to think upon it. Okay, so problem है बोल के हम ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम खड़ी करते हैं. If we know that problem is going to there till we are alive, some or the other problem is constantly going to be with us. We just have to fight with it with different what you can say, different ideologies. कुछ अलग काम करके उसके ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा, and then definitely we can cross ahead with all the problems in our life. Okay. The next thing what I want to tell you is, we always fail to categorize our thoughts. They say that in a day we get more than thousands thought. बहुत सारे ख्याल दिमाग में एक दिन में एक आदमी को आ जाते हैं, and जो भी ख्याल आता है किसी भी आदमी को, any thoughts, he just tries to flow away with the thoughts. He doesn't understand if the thought is negative, positive, useless, not useless. Even means it's true, it is not true. The person doesn't understand. But whatever thought he gets, he just tries to flow with it. He doesn't understand that if the thoughts are going to help him or they are not going to help him, anything. It's not going to. They don't understand it. So you need to understand one thing, that whatever thoughts you have, you need to categorize them very carefully. Okay. So for example, when you get constantly negative thoughts are going to take you down in your life. We don't understand. A thought comes in our mind and we go flowing with it. We are not going to understand that it's taking us down. We just follow it. So from now on, what you can do is, whenever you get any kind of thoughts, random thoughts we get throughout the day, right? So in that we have to categorize. Yes, this thought is good. This thought I need it. I may be achieving something with this thought. I need to carry this. You can write it down. You can follow them. This thought, the next thought, what it is coming, it's draining my energy. It's draining my life. It is not going to help me achieve anything in my life. So I need not think over it again and again. We don't understand actually whatever I'm telling you. It is the fact that we don't understand. But from now on we can do it. Whatever thought we get, understand. If it's useful, yes, please take it. If it's not useful, then throw it away immediately. You need to categorize the thoughts, whatever you have. Okay? Positive, negative, useless, not useless, true, untrue, anything it may be. Sometimes we go through social media and we just panic. We go into certain thoughts. Many of the social medias you may be knowing are not true. It says that social, जितना अभी हम न्यूज़ देख रहे हैं लोग, जितना न्यूज़ देख रहे हैं उतना पैनिक हो रहे हैं that what are we going to end up with. My friend yesterday, he was just telling me one thing, that अगर न्यूज़ देख रहा हूँ तो ऐसा लगेगा कि शायद कल मर जाऊँगा या परसों मर जाऊँगा, but definitely I'm going to die. But if I just roam around in the market in the evening, morning, whenever, I feel that there is nothing of that sort to be scary. तो बोल रहे कि मतलब this is again a thought, failing to categorize the thoughts. Whatever we see, we believe, and it's a situation that we understand that something bad is obviously going to happen, definitely going to happen. So please categorize your thoughts. Whatever thoughts you have in your mind, categorize. This is yes, this is no, and a no is a no. जब वो आपके दिमाग में पता चल जाएगा आपको, when you know that this thought is going to drain me, close it out. Don't make it an issue. Don't think again about it. Just close it out. And whatever positive thoughts you have, whatever good thoughts that you have, please go on continuing with them. That will again take you somewhere else, because you know that connecting the dots, what we say, it just connects. We just have to start from somewhere, and maybe one positive thought can lead you anywhere. Okay? The third point is a locked-in thinking or a pattern thinking, what we say. Now, to explain you this very clearly, I would like to tell you that, what do you mean by discipline? Obviously, we have children and we know the importance of discipline. Now, if I tell you that never be too disciplined, you would say that you are telling something wrong. I know. But what I'm talking you now about is discipline in the terms of mannerism, in terms of behavior, is 100% essential, and I agree to it. But the thinking pattern is also disciplined since our journey from childhood. This disciplined thinking is actually a locked-in thinking or a pattern thinking, where we feel some things are in the same way what we are constantly thinking, and the other person thinks it different. That is the reason actually every person varies with the thought, because the belief system, I'm going to talk about the belief system also after some time, but this locked-in thinking, what I'm telling you, you need to avoid this, because all these are going to lead you towards a negative mindset. We are talking right now about how negative mindset develops. First was the problem thing, because we feel we have a problem, we have a negative mindset. Everyone has problem. Everyone has problems. Second thing was the failure to categorize the thought, positive, negative, anything. Again, there we feel that we have problems and we go into negative mindset. This is the discipline. Like, never be too disciplined in your achievements. Okay, never be too disciplined while thinking what are the beautiful possibilities in your life to achieve anything. We easily try to surrender whenever we get any kind of different attitude, any kind of different thoughts. Here is the main point. Even you may be noticing this in your children as well. Some things they are very good at, but some things, any new thing comes up and they are locked in, because वो आपको पूछेंगे आगे, मामा मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ ना, ये नहीं होगा मेरे हाथ से, आपने बताया था कि ये मेरे हाथ से नहीं होगा, ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ मैं, वी डोंट डू इट, मे बी द फैमिली ट्रेडिशन, मे बी अवर सोसाइटी ट्रेडिशन, एनीथिंग, या उनके फैमिली का बिलीफ सिस्टम, या उसके बच्चे का खुद का बिलीफ सिस्टम, एनीथिंग इट कैन बी. ओके, so this lofting thinking is actually killing more people. More people in this is not actually, but the thoughts I'm talking about. The negative mindset, how does it develop? By being too disciplined. अगर कोई पॉसिबिलिटी है, चलो कुछ नया बिजनेस करते हैं, नया आइडिया सोचते, वी से ना थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स इज नॉट एवरीवन्स कप ऑफ टी, यू नो व्हाई? दिस इज अ लॉक्ड इन थिंकिंग. नहीं, वो मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. ये फेमस एग्जांपल हमने बहुत बार सुना है, और एक बार बताता हूँ. एक्वेरियम हमको पता है, अगर 2 फीट का एक्वेरियम आपके घर में है, द फिश इज गोइंग राउंड एंड राउंड ओनली टिल 2 फीट. इफ वन डे यू जस्ट थ्रो दैट फिश इनटू 10 फीट एक्वेरियम, आई एम सॉरी, वो देखो पहले आधा दिन या 1 दिन या 1 घंटा तो ही विल बी रोटेटिंग ओनली विद इन दैट 2 फीट. दैट्स अ लॉक्ड इन थिंकिंग. इट्स अ फिक्स्ड पैटर्न थिंकिंग. आप उसके आगे नहीं जा सकते हो. यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ इट. Okay, you need to come out of it and try out the various possibilities in the life you have to go ahead, to come out of this mindset. Especially this is very important in terms of this quarantine period right now, what we are into this COVID period. It's very essential. Don't be too disciplined that नहीं ये मेरा ही field है, मैं इसके आगे कुछ नहीं कर सकता, इसके आगे कैसे जाऊँ, I don't have the maybe the skill, the talent, the communication thing, I don't have. No. That is a locked in thinking. What you have, you can do anything. You know that we always say, हम बच्चों को भी बोलते हैं और हमको खुद के बारे में भी पता है कि we all are creative, we all are genius people. Every person has some or the other creativity in him, and अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो why are we restricting ourselves? It's only the attitude what is here. So please avoid locked in thinking, and you know that you have all guns to go ahead and do anything what you want. It's just the too disciplined attitude what we have, which is not allowing us to do anything. Okay, now I would like to take you to the next point. That is, yes, we concentrate more on the problems. Now it is the problem period, right? We are into the problem period. We all have problems. अभी ये problem है, कोरोना का issue है, 2 महीने से maybe office बंद है, income बंद है, anything. Many things are there. What we are constantly dwelling on and we are talking about, and we are going much more into a negative mindset. So see, opportunities are already there. They are there tomorrow. आज problem है, I agree. Yes, today there is a problem, but the courage what you should have is to step into tomorrow. Many people are not having that courage. They are going to end their life today. In the suicide cases, in the depression cases, when the person is very down, the very same thing happens. He doesn't even think of tomorrow. And what you know, or like, you know what, that tomorrow there is a solution. You just have to have that courage to step into tomorrow where that person actually fails. So we constantly dwell on the problems of today. Okay, what I want to tell you is problems आज है, कल नहीं है. We are not focusing totally on the opportunities of tomorrow, and we are totally talking about the problems of today. आज ये problem हो गया, कल ये problem था, आज दिन भर का ये issue है. But what is tomorrow we don't know, or we don't want to hear. I don't understand. अगेन इट कम्स टू द नेगेटिव माइंडसेट. क्योंकि एक बार आपका जो डिस्कशन आपके लोगों के साथ हो रहा है, मे बी वॉट एवर ग्रुप यू हैव, वॉट एवर फ्रेंड सर्कल यू हैव, वंस यू डिस्कस देयर, इट इज लाइक सबकॉन्शियस थिंग दैट इज सरेंडरिंग योर माइंड इनटू कि नहीं यार बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है, इतने जॉब्स चले गए, इतना अभी मतलब नुकसान हो रहा है, आगे भी होगा. Your mind doesn't know what's happening tomorrow, and it surrenders to the thing what I told you in the locked in thinking. It surrenders to such fences कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, yes maybe this is not going to work out, this is not going to happen, tomorrow is a blank day, everyone is going to die. ऐसे भी थोड़े चीज़ें हैं जो थोड़े लोग बोलते हैं, which is I won't say rubbish, but please have the courage to step into tomorrow, because there is wonderful life tomorrow. You have beautiful dreams. You just have to have more patience and see that you can go ahead, step into tomorrow, have that courage. आप जब करोगे ना ये सब कुछ, तो आपके बच्चे भी यही फॉलो करेंगे. The way you talk, the way they are going to behave. I know this is not a parenting session, but still, as I am close to parenting, constantly I am also telling you the both ways, because अभी आपके सामने बच्चे हमेशा रहते हैं. So whatever you are talking, whatever attitude you have, the words you speak are going to impact very, what you can say, very strangely and very seriously. जिसका आपको अभी नहीं बट मे बी लेटर ऑन आपको समझेगा कि उसका इफेक्ट क्या पड़ा है लॉकडाउन के ऊपर भी. Okay, so please don't concentrate only on problems. There are solutions tomorrow available. You just have to have the courage to step into tomorrow. Okay, there are wonderful opportunities that are going to come again. Every country, every time this situation happens, many people lose faith and commit something, but there is always a beautiful tomorrow. We have seen World War situation, maybe a depression situation, maybe there was the Spanish flu what we are constantly seeing, which had occurred in 1919. They say it was also a very bad time actually for the entire world. I think they say it was being continued for 36 months. Now luckily we are just 6 months here and we are seeing that it's quite progressing, or we are going ahead. You are seeing that. So definitely every after certain period some of the other problems do come. As a problem we individually have, some problems do come on our family, society, country, globally. ये सब होता रहता है, but a fixed mindset is very bad. You have to be opened up. Okay, so opportunities are there. Whoever is feeling low, I want to motivate you. I want to tell you that please understand that tomorrow there are wonderful opportunities. You need to hold on. Have the courage to step into tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be beautiful. Okay. Now we always say that yes, everything is failing, we are a failure. अब ये with respect to बच्चों का भी आएगा and the situation का भी आएगा कि everything has failed. It's a failure. Every system is a failure. I am a failure. I supposing I'm constantly seeing news, constantly going through the social media, and I'm feeling that whatever I had planned, it has all failed. I am a big failure in my life. I cannot achieve anything. Please remember one thing. This I constantly tell in my regular student classes also कि failure किसको बोलते हैं. Failure किसे कहोगे आप? Failure is someone who don't learn from his own failures. See, failure is present continuous tense, right? When you say failed, it's a past tense. When you say I had failed, I am failed, or I have failed, it's a past tense what we are talking about. It means that एक घंटे पहले मैं कहीं पे फेल हो गया हूँ, एक दिन पहले कहीं पे फेल हो गया हूँ, 1 week before I had failed in something, maybe 1 year before. That's the past tense. It's not the me what I'm talking to you right now. This is the present continuous. Right now I can decide, I have the attitude that I'm not going to fail again. And frankly failure is important. Please understand. आपके बच्चों को भी बताइए, failure is very important. You have to taste failure. Okay, but once you fail, it's not the thing that you are a failure. फेलियर का मतलब यही होता है कि यू आर फेलिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली, बट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फेल इट. 2 बार 3 बार भी आप अगर फेल हो गए हो, इट इज स्टिल नॉट दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी अ फेलियर इन द फ्यूचर. ओके, एंड हु कैन बी अ कॉन्स्टेंट फेलियर इज द थिंग आई टोल्ड यू, दैट फेलियर्स आर दोज हु डोंट लर्न फ्रॉम अदर्स फेलियर्स या खुद का फेलियर. मुझे पता है मैं कहाँ पे फेल हो गया हूँ, अगर उससे मैंने कुछ सीखा नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू फेल अगेन. एंड देन वंडरिंग व्हाट्स गोइंग रॉन्ग, ब्लेमिंग एनीवन और माई सेल्फ or doing anything rubbish is of no use, because आपको पता है कहाँ पे आप फेल हो रहे हो. why are you constantly failing? you have to research on it. क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसके ऊपर रिसर्च करो and then you can definitely get some solutions. So don't consider yourself as a failure, especially again in this situation, because the situation actually has failed. People have not failed. People are ready to go ahead, go out and do their activities. People are eager to do. It's only because of the situation we are lacking. Hold on, you are not a failure. Okay, whatever things you can, plan the best, and please understand whatever wrong, maybe what I told you, whatever situations have failed in the previous part of your life, prepare a chart that I'm not going to allow to fail myself again, at least in these aspects what I had failed earlier. Okay, so don't constantly say that you are a failure or the situation, whatever it is. I think the point is very clear. Okay, failures are those who don't learn from their failures. So if you are learning from your failures, if you are learning from your mistakes, then there's no one who can stop you again ahead to achieve anything in your life. Okay, the last point on this slide is you need to be emotionally strong. EQ, you know, I think there's no need to tell about emotional quotient. It's such a beautiful topic. It's such an important topic in today's life, because emotionally weak people, you know, are actually breaking themselves. There's a famous quote from Mr. Shiv Khera. I had read his book, You Can Win. You may be knowing this book. I had read this 15 years before, and I am following him from the last 15 years. I really feel good after looking at his books, at his ideas, stories, whatever he has put up in his book, he has given a beautiful quote that some people in such situation break records. Okay, some people break records and other people break themselves. This is equally true. So what do we have to understand from the situation is we need to be emotionally strong. Okay, emotionally strong people are coping up very well, you can say. Whatever emotions they may be in, they know how to handle it, they know how to understand it, they know how to motivate other people, they know how to motivate themselves, and they are doing a fantastic job. Emotionally weak people are actually breaking themselves. You may be knowing or not knowing, I don't know, but according to WHO, the domestic violence issues have increased a lot in this lockdown period. Why is it so? That's again only because of the emotional quotient, inability to handle. The people are not able to handle their emotions very well, and so are some situations happening. Many people have committed suicide, I have seen. Students, teenage students, I have read some articles, they have ended their life. Why? Lack of controlling in their emotions. The EQ part is very essential. You need to understand that yes, the situation is going to change. The situation, what I told you, according to WHO, domestic violence, why should it happen? This was the best part actually. When this lockdown was started, I am personally into counseling, parenting sessions, and means designing value added sessions for children. I was the most happiest person, I would tell you, because why? I, in the parenting session, usually tell that you need to spend quality time with your children to means connect emotionally, communicate, so that there will be no difference. There should be a transparency, understand each other. This was a very beautiful period, so that the father is going nowhere, the mother is not going nowhere. I think only place he has to go is kitchen on an average. Many times it was a complaint also that we don't have any lockdown, we are constantly working, but still entire family was together, this situation. And in this situation, more than a month you were together, you could have understood very well too with each other. Whatever emotions you have, you can talk to them. Whatever differences were there earlier, you can resolve everything in this period. This was such a good period that I was thinking that now there is no need to tell anyone. You need to spend good time with your children, talk to them, because obviously everyone was doing the same thing, right? Am I going too fast? Is it conveying, or I should go a bit slow? I'm not seeing any comments, so I was just thinking to ask you whether I'm going too fast or something. We are coming to the end of this slide. Please remember, you need to be emotionally strong. Okay, EQ is a very important topic where you have to understand that you need to manage your emotions to handle any situation. Otherwise, nowhere in your life you can handle any simple situation. A silly situation will also be troublesome. You are going to be panicked, irritated very easily, and this can lead to anything. So be strong, be emotionally strong. Okay, we are now going to come to the ideas and facts. We always feel that how do people achieve different things, right? How do people achieve different things? So I would like to tell you, great people are ordinary people, right? Whatever we feel that इस आदमी ने ऐसा कैसे अचीव कर लिया, अरे ये हमारे बीच में ही रहता था, स्कूल में इतना अच्छा नहीं था, मे बी हम लोग उसको बचपन से देखते, but he was not so sharp, so bright. How directly actually he is actually achieving all these things. So for this is a fact you need to understand, and even you have the ability to do all those things. That is, great people are ordinary people. Okay, great people are ordinary people with extraordinary amounts of determination. What makes you special is the determination, the persistence what you have in it. This is the thing that's making a person totally different. Okay, be determined with what you want. For this I have a wonderful example for you. You may be knowing McDonald's, right? McDonald's किसे नहीं पता? Maybe everyone has gone there to eat some hamburger, fries, many things. So आपको इसकी story पता है? You know the founder, the story of this founder? इसके जो founder थे उनकी story. Ray Kroc was the founder of McDonald's, and there was a beautiful movie named The Founder, which was based on how McDonald's started, how that founder struggled, and how ultimately he ended up expanding the business of McDonald's. So in this there is a famous quote. What I want to tell you is, उसके बाद आपको समझेगा कि ये fact क्यों fact है and why you need to adapt this. There's a sentence I'm telling you. In this world, nothing is more common than unsuccessful people with huge talents. In this world, nothing is more common than unsuccessful people with huge talents. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Every person has talent. Every person is creative. Every person has huge possibility, huge opportunity. The only thing is what? They lack persistency. वो जो फाउंडर मूवी में जो रोल प्ले किया उसने, वहाँ पे उन्होंने दिखाया कि एवरी नाइट ही वॉज एक्चुअली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. फॉर द फर्स्ट हाफ यू सी दैट ही इज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, ही इज स्ट्रगलिंग इन हिज लाइफ, ही डजंट नो व्हाट टू डू. बट वन एटीट्यूड ही हैड विच आई लाइक एक्चुअली, दैट वाज एवरी डे night he used to hear a positive attitude cassette, and in that actually it's clearly told that you have to be persistent. If you are persistent, even if you have knowledge, means if you are persistent you can achieve. But if you are not persistent, you may be feeling that I am knowledgeable, I have huge talent, I have a great skill. You are not going to enter anything, trust me. You have to be persistent, because there are huge people who have very good talent, very good skills, very knowledgeable, very wisdom they have, but they are not going anywhere. You may be seeing such many people after 40s, 50s, 60s. You may be seeing, "Arey yaar, itna talent, how does this person is not successful? Or why is this person still lagging behind? So good he is, so talented he is." The thing is persistency. Okay, you need to be persistent. You need to be always be positive. You have to develop the attitude of positivity, and then these things can happen. So even an ordinary person, how he becomes extraordinary is by determination. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to be determined, be persistent, and definitely you have the thing what you want to do. Okay, we'll go to the different fact. For this particular situation, all of you people who feel that I'm not doing well, I'm stuck in home, my job has gone, there are some issues with respect to finance, I would just like to ask you one thing. Do you have food to eat? Do you have clothes to wear? Right? Do you have a cell phone by which you can call your friends, talk to them? Right? Do you have a house to stay? Then you are 100% lucky, my dear friends. 100% lucky, because there are people who don't have food, who don't have clothes, who don't know what's going to happen in the evening. They don't have a roof above their head. They don't have anyone who can even talk to them. What are your problems? There is such a situation, and such people are still there. Just imagine your life with them. We are 100% lucky, I would say. You are 100% lucky than many people. This is the current situation outside that's going on, and you are very easily in your home staying, doing many things, different varieties of foods. Maybe sometimes you are talking to people, you are doing some activities. Especially I'm just mentioning about the group, okay, I'm not talking in the entire, because I see that there's so many activities going on in the group. Actually I'm a member from last 8 months, I guess, and I've been seeing how Sejal and other moderators, all the team members are involved in activities. New activities are constantly being conducted, and everyone participate. I feel very good after seeing that means how the growth is also happening of the team. Recently, I guess the member count increased to 3,000 plus. I'm very glad to hear that, and I congratulate everyone for that. So see, these are ideas and facts. These are all the things what we are doing. Don't you feel that you are lucky enough? You should feel. If you don't feel, if you're not feeling, you should feel that you are 100% lucky than many people who don't have anything to do all those things. Okay, this is a very important fact you need to understand in this lockdown period, in this quarantine period. Okay, now why do we think like that? Okay, this is the next point. Why do we think like that? Because of fear. Every person has some or the other fear going through in his mind, and with that fear we constantly think and go into negative mindset. Now why does the negative mindset develop? I have already told you ahead. So now, why do we think? Like, why do we think like that? Because of the fear. Maybe कल ऐसा हो गया तो, ऐसे chances ले रहे हैं हम, इसमें कुछ गलत हो गया तो, how will it happen if something goes wrong? It's only the fear that's making you worry. But for this thing, I want to tell you that, again, according to some scientists, research, 97% of the things what you actually think don't happen. You can write down, you can think, and then you can experience. और मे बी पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस देख लो, किसी के साथ झगड़ा हो गया, किसी के साथ कुछ बुरा हो गया, we think अनलिमिटेड पॉसिबिलिटीज, ये होगा, अभी इतना गलत हो गया, अभी ये सब होगा, एंड इज गोइंग टू एंड अप इन दिस वे, इट्स गोइंग टू बी सच बैड सिचुएशन. और दूसरे दिन सुबह ऐसा होता है कि लाइक अरे यार इतना सब सोच लिया एंड इट वाज ऑल पॉजिटिव, इट वाज नथिंग दैट वे व्हाट आई हैड टू थिंक. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, विद फियर वी थिंक 100 of things, but 97% of the time it doesn't happen. Whatever we think, it's only 3% part what actually can happen. So why should we think negative? Why can't we think positive, right? Even if there's something happening in the possibility of a positive thinking, then it's well and good. We would all accept it, right? Don't we? Great. So we think only negative because of fear, and understand that 97% of the things don't happen. So be like, be, I won't say carefree, but take it easy, okay? And monitor your thoughts, right? Never lose out on opportunities. Now you look at myself. I just want to give my example over here, that this is the first Facebook live or any live video that I'm doing in my entire lifetime. Okay, I don't know how good I'm doing, how bad I'm doing, but as an entrepreneur, as doing entrepreneurs, usually this quote I had read over there, that entrepreneurs don't lose out on opportunities, and I believe I'm doing something good. So when Sejal asked me for this opportunity, I immediately said yes, because I wanted to do something. Okay, you should never lose out on opportunities. Whatever opportunity you get, please go into that, get hold on it, and do better, do your best. No problem if you're failing, nothing will go wrong, try again, but you should never lose out on the opportunities whatever you get in your life. Okay, you can see this is the situation wherein you are locked in. Maybe there are not situations favorable to go out and do some things. At this time, what you have to do is, you can just look at other things what are available, and if you feel that some things of this you can pick it up and do anything, go try. Don't think that will it work or will it not work. Give it a try. When you will give it a try, that time only you can understand that yes, this is working or this is not working. But until and unless, like before trying, if you give a suggestion, then it can be like, you could have done far more better, but you have not done this. Just taking my example again and telling you, I don't know that how is the session going on. Maybe with your comments I can understand how you are taking it, but if I wouldn't have taken this opportunity, then definitely I cannot have known that whether I'm doing good, whether I'm doing bad, how is my performance on the live video, I don't know. With the session I can talk very well, I can do unlimited time this all program, but live is this is the first time what I'm doing live. Okay, so never lose out on any opportunities what you get in your life. Just start it, take those opportunities, and definitely again, while connecting dots, it gets connected, and it will obviously lead you to somewhere in a good position, but you have to trust that. Okay, now with all these things we feel much pressured with all of us. As I'm telling you, even I am pressured. Even maybe you are pressured in your identity or your profile, whatever you are doing. Whenever we feel pressured, remember that the best of ourselves comes under the pressure. Okay, there's a famous quote from Carolyn Buchanan, and she says that diamonds are made under pressure. You may be knowing this. Diamonds, we all love diamonds, don't we? Diamonds are made under extreme pressure. If you are under extreme pressure, consider yourself a diamond, because like a future diamond. Under pressure, when you are, definitely you are going to deliver something best that's going to make you a part of diamond. So if you are under pressure, this is the best situation, I would say, because until and unless you are under pressure, you will not go through different ideas, you will not get different suggestions from anyone, you are not going to talk to anyone, because if you're doing well, will you be even talking to others? You see, we have some ego and attitude issues as well. When we're doing well, we usually don't understand what other people are saying, trying to say. But when we are down, when we need someone's support, that is the best time we feel that we should be connected to people, we should listen to people, right? These all things happen. So when the pressure is on us, understand that you are going to be something great, make something good out of it. So pressure is good, I would say. As I told you in the earlier slide, that failures are essential, pressure is also good. If you are under pressure, monitor what best you are giving, because ideas are constantly coming into your mind. Okay, ideas are constantly coming into your mind when you are under pressure. Your mind is giving you ideas. Make sure you write down those ideas, what all are the ideas that you can work on them. Everything can't be worked out, but definitely there may be something that can be worked out. And these are the ideas where in a normal situation you may not be getting. आपको ये सिचुएशन में ही आइडियाज मिलेंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन यू विल नॉट गेट दोज आइडियाज एट ऑल. ओके, सो दिस इज अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रेशर सिचुएशन में जो आइडियाज आते हैं, दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दीज आर लाइक फैंटास्टिक आइडियाज. दे कैन टेक यू एनीवेयर अहेड. डोंट इग्नोर एनी आइडिया व्हाट यू गेट राइट नाउ. क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते. मेनी पीपल हैव एक्चुअली प्रोग्रेस्ड. यू कैन सी in this period, in this pressure period, many people have actually progressed as well. Okay, which is my next point. When unemployment goes up, even self employment has gone up. If you can see, बहुत सारे लोगों के jobs गए हैं. Yes, we understand, many people have lost their jobs. कुछ सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट लोगों के भी कुछ इश्यूज हो गए, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट जो लोग एम्प्लॉयमेंट में थे, जिनको अभी लग रहा है कि माई एम्प्लॉयमेंट हैज गॉन, मेरा नौकरी चला गया है, all these things they are there. You can see that many new people are coming up with different ideas of maybe this is definitely for their livelihood, but still, as shifting from employment to self employment, how big is it is. पूरा जिंदगी वो लोग सोचते नहीं रहेंगे कि मैं कभी खुद का कुछ कर सकता हूँ. But this is a situation where they have adapted, they are starting something, they are marketing online, offline, anywhere, गली गली कर रहे हैं, but they are doing something. You can notice this thing. Unemployment rate when it goes up, at the same time self employment का जो rate है वो भी ऊपर जाता है. And this is a very good sign, because now you are going to get more dealer, more outlets, more people to have all those stuff, and definitely it's a good thing for our community. So सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी ऐसी चीज़ है जहाँ पे आप लोग इवन आप आजमा सकते हो. पीपल हु आर एम्प्लॉयड एंड यू फील दैट देयर इज अ सिचुएशन दैट्स गोइंग डाउन व्हिच मे बी मींस नॉट बी फेवरेबल इन द कमिंग टाइम. प्लान समथिंग फॉर सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट, सॉरी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. आप सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में सोच सकते हो और वहाँ पे आप कुछ भी जाके अचीव कर सकते हो विद ऑल दिस माइंडसेट, विद ऑल दिस आइडियाज. ओके, इफ यू आर अंडर प्रेशर, दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम आई एम टेलिंग यू. मॉनिटर योर थॉट्स, monitor your ideas, whatever situation it may be, whatever ideas you may be getting, don't ignore any idea, because what it needs is just an idea, just a thought, and after that thought everything comes up. वो जो मूवी मैंने आपको बताया अभी, The Founder, it was just a thought. The founder of McDonald's, he just had a thought कि can I do something. He liked the name of the McDonald's. उसने वो नाम से शुरू किया कि नहीं कुछ करना है, I want to do, and he was so mad about that idea that he ultimately, you know what McDonald's today is. If he would have just left that idea, as he was a salesman actually before his life, and he was frustrated. और इस आइडिया को अगर वो जस्ट दुत्कार देता था कि नहीं यार ये भी नहीं होगा, इतना लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, ये कैसे होगा, मे बी आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, हाउ कैन आई अचीव सच बिग थिंग्स, that it was just an idea what took him actually to expand all of his business. Okay, we're coming to the last slide now. It's a plan of action. What are the actions we can take definitely to come out of this situation? The first point is make your beliefs, because then the beliefs are going to make you. This is again very important. The locked in thinking, the pattern thinking जो था ये उसको relate करता है. Make your beliefs very well. खुद के भी आपके बच्चों के भी. जो belief system हम बनाते हैं, that is actually being prepared in before 5 years, I would say. In the first 5 years एक बच्चे का belief system हो जाता है, and after that he is constantly following the same belief system. To understand this, I would just like you to ask one question. What is A for? If I ask you, A for क्या है? You might say apple, right? A for apple, A for ant. Okay, no problem. Now, what if I say A for Aurangabad, A for Anandwadi, A for anything else? Your mind will not accept it immediately, right? A for Amsterdam. No, that's not true. Yeah, it's true, but your ears doesn't like it. Your brain doesn't like it. Okay. A for apple is like, this is good. Why? You know, because your mind is used to hearing A for apple. उसको वही सुनना है. उसको A से attitude. Yes, thank you एकता. A for attitude अगर आप बोलोगे तो क्या होगा? A for attitude. उसके जवाब में आपको attitude दिखाई देगा. Why is he talking about attitude? Right? So this is a belief system. उसके against आपको कुछ नहीं सुनना है. आपके घर के कुछ रूल्स रहेंगे, आपके फैमिली के कुछ रूल्स रहेंगे, आपके फ्रेंड्स में कुछ फिक्स पैटर्न्स रहेंगे. दीज आर ऑल बिलीफ सिस्टम व्हाट यू आर एक्चुअली टेकिंग. ए फॉर एक्सेप्टेंस, राइट. ए फॉर एक्सेप्टेंस. अगर कोई स्कूल में बोलेगा बच्चों बताओ ए फॉर एक्सेप्टेंस, टीचर विल आई थिंक हिट हिम. नॉट एवरीवन बट डेफिनेटली नो नो इट्स रॉन्ग. आई एम रियली नॉट श्योर कि अगर एग्जाम में कोई ए फॉर पूछेगा नर्सरी के बच्चे को, एंड अदर देन एप्पल इफ ही राइट्स एटीट्यूड एंड एक्सेप्टेंस, आई एम वरीड इफ दे आर गोइंग टू गिव द मार्क्स, बिकॉज इवन दे आर अंडर सम बिलीफ सिस्टम. नो इट हैज टू बी एप्पल. सो ये गलत नहीं है. देखो जब बच्चे 5 साल के पहले होते हैं, दे आर लाइक अ ब्लैंक कैसेट. इट्स पार्ट ऑफ अस ऑल्सो. व्हेनेवर वी आर गोइंग इनटू अ न्यू फील्ड, एक नए काम पे जा रहे हो, यू हैव अ न्यू जॉब, यू हैव अ न्यू बिजनेस, you are like a blank CD, you are like a blank cassette. Whatever the first 6 months are going to be written up over there, that's going to be your belief system. आप बताओगे कि अभी अरे यार 10 साल से धंधा कर रहा हूँ, विषय ना 10 साल से नौकरी कर रहा हूँ, I know how it is, I know how to handle people. More than 10-20 years we are running the business, we know very well how to handle customers. What is that? That's a belief system that they have gone through. Maybe it's an experience also, but also it is a belief system कि उनको पता है अभी कौन सा कस्टमर आके कैसा बात करेगा. Belief system, whatever it is, you have to make it perfect. Okay, आपका जो belief system है that has to be very very strong, very perfect, कि उसके आगे अगर कुछ problems आ रहे हैं तो that belief system should make you move ahead and tell you what to do. Belief system ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि problem आएगा ना भागो. This shouldn't be the belief system what you are creating for yourself. There are many people who do it. Problem आया, sorry, I am not the person in charge for this. You can talk to the next person. Okay? There are very few people. There's a problem, yes, please call me. Okay? There is a problem, please call me. ऐसे कोई नहीं है. Why it is? That's again a belief system. Why should I dwell? Why should I go there? There are hundreds of people who can handle the problem. Why me? This attitude. Okay? The plan of action is very important, and the first point is the most important. Make your beliefs, because then the beliefs are going to make you whatever it is. आपके घर के बाहर कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ आदत पड़ गया आपको कि घर के बाहर कोई है, बैठा है. Okay? He'll come at night. बच्चे, children are scary sometimes. This is a belief system. आप 20 साल 30 साल के भी हो जाओ, फिर भी आप घर के बाहर रात को नहीं जा सकते. जा सकते हो? You can't go. You cannot go, right? We are constantly afraid नहीं कुछ है वहाँ पे. Whenever there is a darkness, do children go easily over there? No. Why? Because we have made the belief system नहीं, वहाँ पे जाओगे ना कुछ है, बैठा है. Because earlier we didn't want our children to go there. Now we want them to go there and bring some stuff, but they're not going to go. आप बोलोगे अरे यार ये डरता है. This was a belief system what you have created earlier. It's not his fault. It's your fault. So अभी ये पीरियड में भी अगर आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम स्ट्रांग रहेगा, क्वारंटाइन पीरियड यू कैन वेरी इजीली ब्रेकअप. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, आई नो माई बिलीफ सिस्टम. यस, आई एम पॉजिटिव, आई एम डिटरमिन्ड, आई एम पर्सिस्टेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू अचीव दिस. एक बार ये होने दो, आई विल बी बैक विद माई बिजनेस, आई विल बी बैक ऑन माई whatever priorities are there. ये सब मैं वापस फिर से करूँगा. This is a belief system. And many other what they have, now we are seeing the migrants are passing on from here on there. Maybe they are genuinely going because of some difficulties they are facing. But still, as a part of attitude, कि नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं होगा अभी, मुझे मेरे घर जाना है. That's a belief system because they feel they are safe over there. यहाँ पे भी वो safe हो सकते थे, but it's not the thing. So in the quarantine period, in this lockdown period, you need to understand आपका belief system. जो भी अभी आपको negative comments आ रहे हैं ना आपके दिमाग में, whatever negative things you are going through, whatever situation you are feeling, it may be bad, it may be anything else, you are not going to achieve anything, आगे बहुत बुरा ही होगा, it's not going to progress, now we are not going to progress for at least 2 years, 5 years. These all are the belief system what you are having in your mind. Or maybe the constant communication topics what you are going to have. Break it off, because if you are not breaking them, they are going to break you. I told you the Shiv Khera's quote, right? Some people break records and some people break themselves. Do you want to break records or break your own self? Right? You obviously want to break records. We would like to do some good things always, and I think it's very important to have a good belief system. So please have it. Okay? The second point is develop a listening attitude. Okay? Now this is again very important. Listening attitude in the sense कि देखो आजकल का टाइम ऐसा चल रहा है that whenever you talk anything you just speak up, the opposite person responds to you, right? People are nowadays listening only to respond back and not listening to understand. The more you will listen, the better chances you have in your life to go ahead, I'll tell you. Because listening attitude is such an attitude which actually requires a lot of patience, right? If you want to go ahead, see, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे रहते हैं कि जिनको प्रॉब्लम जब आती है ना, they don't know what to do. Now, especially the people who are very close to you, who know your problem, उनके पास आपको जाके बैठ के बात करनी चाहिए. You know, even when we are in problem, when we are in such situation, even at this time we try to talk, right? इस वक्त भी हमको खुद को ही बोलना है. We should listen. The more you will listen, the better are your chances that you can come out of this situation very easily, or whatever it may be. Any troubled situation, आप इसमें से बहुत अच्छे से आ सकते हो. यहाँ पे आता है, experience is useless unless you learn from it. Sorry, right? Experience is useless if you can't learn from it, unless you learn from it. आपका जो भी experience है, उससे अगर आप कुछ सीख नहीं रहे हो, then what is the use? Okay, so you need to develop this listening attitude. इससे क्या होगा कि दूसरे लोगों का experience भी आपके पास आएगा. Any problem I have, obviously I can tackle on it on my own. I can plan something. But if I'm talking to all of you today about my problems, you can give me your suggestions. I can get maybe 10-20 people, whatever you are today. I can get 20 new suggestions. उसमें से ठीक है 5 मुझे नहीं पसंद आए, 5 are not working, 10 are new possibilities what I'm getting from because of you. Now if I say I'm not going to listen, I'm just going to talk on myself that क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, I am at loss. You are not at loss. I am at loss. So this attitude is again very important in if you are struggling, you are stuck at situation. Please talk to people. And listening attitude जो है ये सिर्फ अभी के situation के लिए नहीं है. Okay, this is also important for the rest of your life. I forgot to tell you one thing, that this presentation or the video what we are actually doing today is not only for the quarantine mindset. This can help you throughout your life if you are practicing. Okay, it's not just for the quarantine mindset. It's forever actually. When you have exhausted, we feel that अभी plan of action में ये बहुत important है. I have tried everything. Okay, I have tried all the things you say, but let me tell you one thing. When you have exhausted all the possibilities, okay, when you have exhausted all the possibilities, remember one thing, that you haven't. This quote is also from the famous book Tough Times Never Last, but Tough People Do. I recently finished this book. It's a wonderful book, I would say, to have it on your shelf. Your students should read, your children should read, you should read, because this is a very important book that can actually give you. This book was written during the Great Depression in 1982, and it's a boon, I would say. When you have a problem, just open any book, any page, and read for 5 minutes. You will come out of your problem, because so many options are there given in this book. Okay, so whatever problems you have, and whenever you feel that I am done, मैंने सब कुछ ट्राई किया है, एक नहीं वर्क हो रहा है, and now I am going to give up. Remember this quote. When you have exhausted all the possibilities, you haven't. There is something what will make you do some different thing. Okay, there is some person, or there is something, or there is some idea that's going to change you. You have to be patient. सब कुछ कर लिया करके give up मत करो. That's going to hamper you much more, I think. Okay. Next plan is, this is again from the same book. Count from 1 to 10 and win. What does it mean is, in any situation you are, there is always a possibility to win. What we look at the negative side, that's very obvious. Why do we look? I told you already. Now what you have to do is, any situation, any possibility you want, you have to make a list of 10 things, 10 ways in which the problem can be solved. For example, I need 1,000 rupees. Okay, now in order to get 1,000 rupees, if I say नहीं यार कोई नहीं देगा, मेरा कोई friend close नहीं है, how can I ask, I can't get. So this is a normal tendency. Now second tendency is, कौन 1,000 रुपया मुझे देगा? I already spoke this now. Okay, this is the ability. Now how can you win in this situation is, make a list of 10 possibilities of how you can get 1,000 rupees, and then definitely you will win. Now first possibility, I can ask one person for 1,000 rupees and my problem is solved. Second possibility, I can ask 200 rupees from 5 people and still I have got 1,000 rupees, the problem is solved, right? I can ask 250 rupees from 4 people. Again it's 1,000 rupees, my problem is solved. So on. मे बी समटाइम्स 10 पॉसिबिलिटीज नहीं आएंगे, कुछ कम आएंगे, बट डेफिनेटली एक से ज़्यादा तो आएगा. ओके, आई एम आस्किंग 100 रुपीज फ्रॉम 10 पीपल, easiest, not much risk, but I have got 1000 rupees, right? आपके लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम अभी चालू है, राइट इट डाउन एंड ट्रस्ट मी, जब तक आप ये पेपर पे नहीं लिखोगे ना, तब तक आप इसको यकीन नहीं कर पाओगे. यू हैव टू राइट इट ऑन पेपर, दिस इज माई प्रॉब्लम एंड दीज आर द 10 पॉसिबल सॉल्यूशंस. उसके ऊपर दिमाग लगाओ, एक दिन लगाओ, 2 दिन लगाओ, बट दिस ट्राई टू राइट डाउन दिस 10 पॉइंट्स in which these 10 possibilities are there and you can achieve anything. Okay, so this is very important plan of action whenever you are stuck. I recently was stuck on some kind of similar problem कि अभी after lockdown how should I start my office back, what are the different options what I have. So I was stuck and meanwhile I was reading this book and I came across this chapter where it was count from 1 to 10 and win. So that time I realized, I thought, chalo, let's give it a try. I write down the problem, then I wrote from 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10, and then one by one I was just planning कि चलो ये होगा. As I told you the example of 1000 rupees. Okay, ये हो सकता है, नहीं ये हो सकता है, नहीं ये भी हो सकता है. You won't believe, actually I solved that problem. Okay, so just count from 1 to 10 and you can win. Okay. Okay, the last part in the sense there are 2 more points. With this action, you need to understand that you have to count your blessings, gratitude, what I would say. अभी ये कुछ नया बात नहीं है. This is not a new thing. Everyone knows about gratitude. Many people practice, I guess. But as a part of plan, I had to have it in my list because we are constantly talking about the problems. We are constantly talking about the things that have not been done or how poorly that have been done. But we need to understand that in this situation, there were a lot of blessings. Okay, I'll just tell you one blessing, and I am 100% sure that you have not thanked that situation, that person. Okay, I'll give you an example. In the month of April, it was a very tough lockdown. I think even essentials were hard to get, but you were getting it. Okay, now count your blessings is the first thing. You got the essentials or no? You got, right? If the essentials were not being given to you, what would happen? The same situation as the migrants, as the laborers, as the person who doesn't have anything to eat, is waiting for the kit from the government, from the social activists, from the NGOs. सेम सिचुएशन होता था हमारे भी. ऐसे थोड़े फैमिलीज है जिनके साथ ये हुआ है. They didn't get anything. Maybe it was due to finance or the essentials were not there, or they were living in such areas कि वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं था. We are lucky enough, right? कि हमारे कोने पे 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer, 5 kilometers at the most, essential shops were open. We were going there at the specific time, maybe social distancing हम रख रहे थे, but we were getting it whatever we want. We were coming home, we were eating it. Don't we? Right? Now, tell me now, how many people have gone to that store, that person, and thanked him? अगर वो भी हम सब लोगों की तरह घर बैठा होता, उसकी बीवी बोलती थी कि नहीं, why are you going outside? Why are you risking your life? Shut down the shop and you also sit in the home. हो सकता था ना? Even he is at a risk. So many we have seen, policemen and doctors have risked their lives to save us, save common people. Even these essential whatever things we needed, ग्रोसरीज ले लो, जो भी एसेंशियल का जो थिंग था, जो आपको चाहिए था, अगर ये सब लोग भी अपना अपना शॉप बंद कर देते ड्यू टू द फियर और मे बी, व्हाट वुड हैव बीन द सिचुएशन? It would have been terrible, right? So gratitude is thanking attitude. You need to thank people for whatever good they give you in your life. It may be one thing or 10 things. And again, as a human behavior, हमारे पास अगर 10 में से एक भी चीज़ पॉजिटिव आएगी, तो we are not going to focus there. We are going to focus on the 9 things that's negative. Or you can take it opposite as well. Even in 10 things, if you are getting 9 positive things and 1 negative thing, still you are going to focus on the negative thing and not on the positive thing. So it's very important. The thanking attitude has to be practiced, has to be developed, has to be carried upon. Okay? अगर हो सके तो आपके जो भी लोकल सोसाइटी में जिन लोगों ने भी आपके पास आपके जो शॉप्स चालू करके अप्रैल मई मंथ में जो भी आपको एसेंशियल्स दिया है, मे बी सम पीपल वर कैरिंग एज अ डिलीवरी ऑल्सो, फ्री डिलीवरी भी रहेगा कि आपके घर तक लाके दिए. से देम अ थैंक यू विथ कंप्लीट ग्रैटिट्यूड, सेइंग थैंक यू जनरली एंड एक्चुअली मीन्स लाइक meaning it is very different. You need to also understand that such are also the situations कि यहाँ पे blessings हमको मिला है, and these are also the things to count. We actually usually we don't count. Okay. Now the last important thing is any situation it may be, how can we get something out of it. Okay. अभी जो भी situations हम बात कर रहे थे, ये सब हो रहा था, everything is there. I'll just tell you one thing. Virat Kohli may be known to everyone, right? Previously I was using the example with Sachin Tendulkar, but now I think Virat Kohli is more popular, so we can have the example by his name. Virat Kohli has made huge runs in cricket industry. Okay, he has many records. He has broken many records also. He is called the run machine. He has huge runs, and they say that if anyone can break Sachin's record, it's Virat. Now, can you tell me why does he make so many runs? Or how does he make so many runs? Simple question. It's a very simple question, and the answer is more easier than this. How does he do the runs? How does he get the runs? How is he able to make a century? Why is he doing so many runs? इतने runs कैसे बना सकता है वो? A very simple thing I'll tell you. You just have to be there in the middle, and the runs will come. मान लो कि every first ball of the inning, Sachin and Virat are going clean bowled, 0 runs. What would have been their lifestyle now? Their career, their achievements, nothing, right? The only thing why they are known today is because of their achievements, and achievements come when we are actually stuck over there. They were stuck in the middle, they were able to make the runs. If they were going out at a very earlier time, कुछ runs नहीं होते. It's like converting the zeros to tens, tens to 20s, 20s to 50s, 50s to 100s, 100s to maybe some 150, 200s. ये सब धीरे धीरे conversion जब हो रहा है, like he is in the middle. First over पे भी अगर वो आएगा, तो he is making sure that he is batting for the most period of time, so that the runs are coming in. कोई डक बॉल आएगा, yes. In this period of like we can say that everything is bouncer, everything is yorker. कि जहाँ पे हम it's not playable. We are not able to do anything. Duck it. Hold on. Don't give up your wicket. If you want to have a century, if you want to have too many runs, if you want to do many achievements, you have to hold on. Even these tough times are also being seen by these people also in the middle of the ground. But the only thing why they are able to achieve so much is because they are stuck over there. They are stuck in the middle. क्योंकि runs कब count होते हैं? नेट प्रैक्टिस में आप सेंचुरी करो, दैट्स नॉट काउंटेड, राइट? आप गले में 100 रन बनाओ, दैट्स नॉट काउंटेड. इन द मिडल व्हेन यू इवन स्कोर 1 run, दैट इज काउंटेड टू हिज करियर. सो इन योर प्रोफेशन, इन योर जॉब, whatever you are doing, you have to stick over there, and then only the achievements are being counted. So make sure that you get stuck on the situation. Don't give up. नहीं होगा, बाद में आके कंप्लेंट करके कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. You have to be there, and then only the situation will improve. Okay. Now I think I have covered all the 3 sessions over here, and I'm going to close the session for today. This last few points, I just want to I would like to know that whatever points or whatever things you have took from this session, took from the video, and you're going to implement maybe in your life from today. If you can just drop in the comments the action plan, whatever you feel you're going to adapt, and whatever necessary you have, then even I can understand that yes, these were the things what I've conveyed, and these are the things what you're going to follow. Okay. And before ending, I would just like to give you the last point of the session. Okay. See, always there is something in motivation, we say. Okay. Motivation is something that drives everyone, but ऐसे भी बहुत complaints है कि मोटिवेशन तो लाइक यू नो दे सी मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस, वी गेट मोटिवेटेड, बट कुछ होता नहीं इससे. कुछ क्यों नहीं होता पता है? क्योंकि हम उसके ऊपर कुछ एक्शन नहीं लेते. वी डोंट वर्क ऑन इट. ओनली गेटिंग मोटिवेटेड एंड डूइंग नथिंग, इज इट गोइंग टू हेल्प? इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. ओके. सो फॉर दिस you have to maintain one rule, that is motivation can get you started. Okay. Motivation can get you started, but habit is what that keeps you going. You need to be habitual to it. Okay. आपको उसकी आदत पड़नी चाहिए. मोटिवेशन हो गया, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर मुझे काम करना है. जब तक मैं काम नहीं करूंगा, जब तक वो अचीव नहीं करूंगा, मैं चुप नहीं बैठूंगा. दिस हैज टू बी नॉट ओनली इन द एक्शंस बट ऑल्सो इन द हैबिट. नहीं नहीं, इसका आदत है. दिस इज द हैबिट व्हाट ही हैज, एंड विद दैट हैबिट देन विल कम द अचीवमेंट. Okay, doing something once or twice will not get you motivation. You may get motivated 100 times in a day, but until and unless you work, it's not counted. And the best way to achieve is get habitual to that motivation what you have. If you are motivated, act, get it habituated, and then you can see you can achieve. Okay, so just don't be motivated, be habitual to it as well. Okay. With this thing, I would like to end today's session. I thank everyone present over here. Your wonderful comments I'll be reading later on as well. If you have anything to ask or anything we have to talk, then I think I'll just wait for some time and I'll see if I'm getting any replies. Then we can, otherwise we can stop the session. I'm really thankful for everyone. Thank you especially Sejal for allowing me to join the session today, and all the members of Tare Zameen Par who have come here, who look constantly at the posts of mine especially, I would say. And if you have any other questions, then surely we can talk about it, or else we can stop the video.